How do you make decisions in life? Hi guys, this is Coach Justin. Welcome to my monthly message, and it's December and it's the most amazing time of the year. Now, every December I organize a small workshop where we review your year. And in this review, we go through questions on to get the best insights, to get the best lessons, to understand how we make decisions and how can we improve on them. And I was reflecting on this particular question. How did I make decision this year? I had a short meditation and I tried to connect to myself, and this insight came upon me. Use your mind to think and discern and to make plans, but use your spirit and feel your spirit to make a decision. This hit me really, this insight really just shook the way that I think. Few years back, before my kid was born, I decided one thing. And one thing that changed my life is that I decided that I am not going to make decision based on fear. Any decision that is based on fear, I'm going to avoid it, and I'm going to make decision based on faith. The mind is a record of the past. The brain is where we store information about what we have happened in the past or the knowledge that we have learned, but it is not the tool to make a decision based on future. Yes, you can say, no, I can imagine the future, Justin. I envision it. I have a good vision about the future. But all that vision is based on your belief system that has been inputted in the past. Nothing that can spark you much when you connect to your own spirit, to your own higher self, to make a decision. And this awakening came upon me. So I'm inviting you how to reflect upon this idea. How do you make decision? Based on what emotions do you make decision? And I would like to also invite you to join our Reflect, Review and Recalibrate. This is the 3R that we go throughout this year, reflecting upon this year, what lessons that we learned, what insights we got, what mistakes that we made in order to embrace the learnings, what decisions that we made that changed our lives, and how do you make your decision. So think about it. What emotions do you use to make a decision? Do you use more fear? Do you use more faith? Or do you use your spirit to make your own decision? The spirit of inspiration, the spirit of enthusiasm. How do you make decisions? Do you have a gut feeling by making your decision? Think about it and share in the comments below, and I would love to see you in our 3R, Reflect, Review and Recalibrate. I'll see you soon.